So today I'm going to be showing you how to cut out and assemble these handy keychain display cards. These are great for displaying your handmade keychains or for gift giving, and they're easy to customize. Uh, you can by printing them off onto the paper before you cut them out. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to get started. So to find the files, you just need to visit my website, and then you go to the section key fob display cards, and you'll see this selection. You can see I have 71 designs right now. So there's a few different options. These ones have an easy loop that you just slide the keychain over, and this one it has a tab. So I'll show how to assemble these. I'll just show you some of the selection that I have so far. And today we're going to be working with the mason jar keyring display card. So all you have to do is just add to cart, and then it's an instant download. So when you download the files, you'll receive the SVG, the PNG, AI, and DXF files. So how the files work are the SVG and DXF are for cutting, and the PNG and AI are you can use as templates for setting up the print image. So when you're wanting to choose paper for this project, I recommend choosing a sturdy cardstock. You want to double check with your machine to see how what's the thickest you can go, since all machines are a little bit different. So you can find that on the manufacturer's website, because there's a lot of different machines out there. The most popular is the Cricut. And so today I'm going to be demonstrating with this paper right here. This is 110 pound weight, or you can also use 12 or 14 pound. And as you can see, it's very sturdy. And so when you download the file, it will open up similar to this. So you'll see depending on which file you get and the size, but this one in particular, you'll get 6 different templates, and they measure approximately 4.5 inches high by 2 inches wide. Of course, you can always just make them bigger or larger with your software, depending on the size of your keychain. So I'd recommend just measuring your keychains and deciding if you want them to be larger or smaller, but just remember you might want to ungroup them, because these little keyring area, that's the correct size already. So you're just going to be making the outside larger. And so once you have this file, you can start customizing them however you like. The pink outline is the cut line. So here I've just done a quick design just to demonstrate. So with my machine, I use a cut OK at the moment, and so I need a guide for the laser, and then I put little rectangles to help me with the print alignment. So this will print, and then after this will cut, so it'll help me align with my machine. And I'll try to add more machine specific videos, tutorials in the future for all the different machines. So here you can see that I put the print file on one layer and then the cut file on another layer. So what you want to do is you first print off, so you turn off the cut file and you print this off with your printer. So once you cut out your files, then you'll end up with something similar to this. So you just pop the cards out, and then you'll see there's little holes, so just remove those. And I just put some text as an example. So there's lots of different things you can do. You could print the whole paper with a pattern. You could laminate them after so they have a nice gloss. You can add your website or your Instagram or your email and your logo if you're selling these. So these are great for craft shows because you can also customize them so that they're seasonal, or you can put like a promotional code if people visit your shop, or you could even there's a lot you can do. So afterwards the rings just pop on like that, and then you could, if you wanted to, you could put a hole punch on the top to hang them, or you could just put them into a plastic bag like this. You may have a display where you can line up all your cards, or you can just put them on the table with your price. Or these are also great for stocking stuffers. So you'll see that there's 3 different styles. There's the latch style, which will have a fold over area, and then how that works is the keyring, I'll just grab this one. So the keyring goes through here, and then it slides into the slot. They are easy to use, I'm just having trouble seeing it. So there. So it just slides into the slot, and then afterwards you could leave as much space as you like, and then you have this left over. So you could either use it to prop the card up, or you could fold it down to put some tape, or trim it if you like. It's really up to you. So this one I just printed off some flowers. And then there is this keychain option, which is for when you have a carabiner clip. So this one just clips on like this, and then the keychain just hangs off the card. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe and like the video and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you next time.